If your car is consuming oil without any obvious leaks, blowing blue smoke, losing power, running rough at idle, making a whistling noise around the valve cover, using more fuel, turning on the check engine light, or pushing oil past gaskets and seals, don't write off the engine just yet. All of these problems could be caused by one small, inexpensive, and often overlooked part, the PCV valve. Stay until the end because I'll show you where it's located, how to test it, and how to tell the difference between a bad PCV valve and worn piston rings or low compression. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. During combustion, a small amount of gas escapes past the piston rings and enters the crankcase. These gases, known as blow-by, contain fuel vapors, moisture, and contaminants that should not be allowed to accumulate inside the engine. The PCV system controls the flow of these gases into the intake manifold so the engine can burn them again. It also maintains a slight vacuum inside the crankcase and helps prevent sludge, oil contamination, leaks, and harmful emissions. The first type of failure occurs when the PCV valve gets stuck open or its diaphragm tears. When this happens, extra unmetered air enters the intake manifold, just like a vacuum leak. The engine may develop a high or unstable idle, hesitation, jerking, whistling noises, poor throttle response, and trouble codes such as P0171 or P0174. The engine computer tries to correct the lean air-fuel mixture by adding more fuel, which can increase fuel consumption. On some engine designs, excessive vacuum can pull oil into the intake system, foul the spark plugs, and cause blue smoke from the exhaust. The second problem occurs when the PCV valve becomes clogged or gets stuck closed. The crankcase gases cannot escape properly, causing pressure to build inside the engine. This pressure can push oil past the valve cover gasket, crankshaft seals, dipstick tube, or any weak gasket or seal. It can also contribute to sludge and moisture buildup inside the engine. That's why some people replace the same gaskets over and over, only for the oil leak to return. They repaired the symptom, not the actual cause. However, excessive crankcase pressure can also be caused by worn piston rings, so don't blame the PCV valve without performing a few tests first. Where is the PCV valve located? On many engines, it is installed in the valve cover through a rubber grommet and connected to the intake manifold by a hose. Follow the hose running from the valve cover toward the intake, but don't confuse the PCV valve with the evap purge valve. On modern engines, especially some turbocharged models, the PCV diaphragm and oil separator may be built directly into the valve cover. In those cases, you may need to replace the diaphragm or the entire valve cover, depending on the design. First, inspect the hoses with the engine turned off. Look for cracks, loose connections, softened or swollen sections, collapsed hoses, and sludge buildup. A new PCV valve will not solve the problem if the hose is leaking or the passage is blocked. Inspect the intake system as well. A light film of oil may be normal, but large puddles of oil usually indicate a problem. Now start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and let it idle. Keep your hands and clothing away from moving belts and cooling fans. If the PCV valve is removable, pull it out of the valve cover without disconnecting the hose. Place a finger over the valve opening. You should feel vacuum or suction. If there's no suction, the valve, hose, or internal passage may be clogged. If the suction feels excessive, you hear a loud whistling noise, or the engine idle improves significantly when you briefly pinch the hose, the PCV valve may be stuck open, or the diaphragm may be torn. On older style PCV valves, you can remove the valve and shake it. Hearing the internal plunger rattle is a good sign, but it does not prove that the valve is controlling airflow correctly. Using a scan tool, check the fuel trims. If they are highly positive at idle but move closer to normal when you raise the engine speed to approximately 2,500 RPM, the engine may have a vacuum leak, including one caused by the PCV system. A smoke machine can help you locate vacuum leaks. Never disable or block the PCV system. Doing so can create excessive crankcase pressure, sludge buildup, and new oil leaks. A PCV valve costs much less than an engine repair, but ignoring it can turn into a serious headache. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, tell me in the comments what symptoms your car is experiencing, and share this information with someone who keeps replacing parts without finding the real problem. I'll see you in the next diagnosis.